European Parliament has adopted a resolution that urged that the Indian authorities to take all necessary measures to stop the violence in Manipur state and protect the religious minorities, especially the Christians. The resolution, tabled by 5 political groups, was adopted by a show of hands during the plenary session of the European Parliament. The adoption took place just after the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in France for an official visit. Indian Foreign Secretary Vinay had told the reporters that this was an internal matter. He also indicated that India will reach out to the European Union lawmakers on this issue ahead of the tabling of the resolution. The 5 plenary fractions that authored the resolution were the Left Greens European Free Alliance, the Centre-Right European People's Party, the Centre-Left Progressive Alliance of Socialists and the Democrats, the Liberal Renew Group, and the right-wing European Conservative and the Reformist groups. They account for about 80% of the lawmakers in the 705-member parliament.